उनका केस मिलता भी नहीं होगा honestly.
क्यों भाई? अब स्कोर क्या है? Moto G40 Fusion Plus में
The Moto G40 Fusion Plus.
Oh right, I
The
forget the
case-
classic.
You know the case for
Yeah.
the Moto G40
What is it
Fusion
called?
Plus.
They're called the flagship phones. Oh, it's the flagship.
नहीं, they're cellular only.
Dude, the
It's a
only
good point.
Moto that was worth buying was the Moto Razr. Back in the day, the OG flip phone.
Did you buy it?
And we're alive.
I had a Moto Razr.
We're having
Of course, then
sex.
that's what you'll say.
Hello Moto.
It's the Impropaganda podcast.
Hello
क्या बे?
Moto.
Excuse me?
हाँ, क्या बोला भाई?
So you got your phone repaired on Tuesday. It was
Tuesday, Sunday नहीं.
No, Tuesday we got repaired.
Tuesday.
Did you go for the movie on Tuesday or Wednesday? It was Wednesday. It was
Sure,
Wednesday.
Okay.
Right.
Right. Monday I got back. Tuesday I came, didn't get my phone repaired.
Wednesday got the phone repaired, and Friday night you broke it.
Yes.
Okay, good.
I mean,
Well done.
थोड़ा सा ही टूटा फूटा है.
अच्छा.
ऐसे को अभी
Just
beginning of damage.
जो पहले रिपेयर किया था स्क्रीन उसी को फिर से तोड़ा है ना.
हाँ.
Okay, good.
Well
और कुछ नहीं
done.
टूटा. But see.
नहीं तो तूने पैसे रिपेयर पे क्यों खर्चे?
क्योंकि कुछ चल नहीं रहा था. अब देख, अब जिस स्टेज ऑफ टूटा पे है
Okay.
ये वैसे
It's actually closer to what.
1.5-2 साल पहले ऐसे ही था. तो इसकी वही कंडीशन थी. तो मतलब 1.5-2 साल अब चल जाएगी स्क्रीन. मतलब थोड़ा थोड़ा टूटता रहेगा ओवर टाइम.
Good.
Everything is
Very
gradual.
nice.
Nature takes its
Smart.
course.
यार मैं
Smart
देखो
choice.
ना बर्थडे पे एक केस लेके दूंगा.
Beer की case, bro.
Yes.
I'm down.
6-pack.
Is this better? I don't know. I
What
was
is-
trying to be more involved in the conversation without having. But I prefer this actually.
It is-
I've
it is
realized.
cooler.
I've realized this is better.
मतलब?
Headphone better than no headphone.
Oh, right.
थोड़ा
Fuck. I was like कि मैंने कुछ गलत बोला क्या?
नहीं. थोड़ा dumb down तो करना ही पड़ता है.
Literally spelling it out.
It's like talking to a 5-year-old.
Dumb down.
Headphone? Better.
I wish a 5-year-old can deal with sentences, bro. Like,
Yeah.
Dude, तो तुम्हें क्या लग रहा है? If you guys are on that show, are you smarter than a 5th grader? कि तुम बहुत अच्छा करते हो उस पे. तुम भी fail होते.
First
Listen.
of all, who has decided that this is standard? Like, did we say that?
Number
I mean,
two-
what the fuck?
Adults being smarter than 5th graders.
We're talking about general, abstraction, deductive reasoning, what the topic of conversation was. I put on my headphones, say, oh, this is better. Oh, perhaps 1 + 1 = 2, but your math is fucked up.
yeah, number
नहीं, it's not my math, it's
four
my
plus
eyes.
four equals-
मेरे को दिख नहीं रहा अंधेरे में.
to cycle back to what you asked, our only core contention is we are smarter than this 5th grader.
It's very bold of you to assume that I made it to 5th.
We know some things. Fact.
I was with you for that,
Yeah,
same
true.
school, so, you know.
अब रिश्वत देके पास
सही
कराएगा हर
corporate.
साल अपने आप तो फिर
Yeah. हाँ.
5th तक तो पहुंचा था.
शाबाश.
तो भाई तो इलेक्शन चल रहे हैं यार.
अभी भी
रहे हैं.
हाँ अभी तो शुरू है.
I guess.
हाँ दिल्ली में
I
next
guess.
दिल्ली में
next
कब
month
है?
है.
हाँ?
Next month है.
दिल्ली में next month है.
I think 2 weeks out.
But Noida was recently, no?
I don't know.
Yeah, because one of our friends, I mean, Sanatan called and he was
Looking for booze.
and he was in Noida and he's like, यहाँ पे ठेके क्यों बंद है? मतलब oh election, I guess.
अच्छा.
It was elections on. No, it was voting day, I think.
Right.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I'll go vote.
Good shit.
Won't make a difference though.
कौन भाजपा?
नहीं, I want to,
नोटा करेगा क्या?
नहीं
Nota I find like the most useless thing. Might as well just fucking stay at home.
नहीं नोटा नहीं करूँगा. Then तो हाँ, of course, I feel like that's pointless.
But you'll do Congress. I mean,
I will, cause to make it interesting.
yes, yeah.
You know, I got no horse in this. I got no horse in this race, bro. But
Yeah.
a closer race is more interesting than
But it's like watching
Yeah,
Formula
your
1. really.
landslide.
Your
You
one
know-
vote is really gonna spice it up, yeah.
Dude, you never know.
But that's
बूंद
the
से सागर
message,
बनता
no?
है, guys.
Exactly, that's the message. That
अगर
is-
तुम दो मेरे साथ चलो,
सबको ऐसे
हम
चूतिया
तीनों
बनाते
देंगे
हैं.
कांग्रेस को वोट.
नहीं मैं
शायद कुछ हो जाए.
मैं नहीं करता वोट ये सब. But also principally I could never vote for Congress.
Anyway, but I'm just making a joke. You know, you never know who I'll actually vote for on the day of.
Congress.
Yeah.
You never know. You never know. You don't know where my allegiances lie.
He does this ना ये पूरा अपना commit कर देता है फिर maybe I'm not talking about me. I'm not sure I could do something differently.
You
And
never know, man. Yeah.
then we
I'm a
get-
wild card, bro.
Yeah.
I'll toss a coin. He loves tossing coins.
And then choose.
Well, he loves tossing coins for like the most basic decisions. कि lunch में क्या खाना है?
No, but then he'll choose.
He'll be like, I'm confused, yaar. हाँ, sorry. Go.
But oftentimes he'll toss the coin and then he'll choose whether to obey it or not, depending on the outcome.
No. I always, dude. I always obey the coin. Always.
चल अभी वो चाल और बता दे किसके लिए वोट करेगा.
चल ठीक है.
Yeah, let's go.
Democracy,
Dude,
woo!
I love
Yeah.
leaving things up to chance because
Yeah.
I feel like
हाँ बातें कम कर
the
उछाल.
luck is my biggest skill.
But let's make it a little more interesting. Let's get a physical coin involved.
Yeah, what is this?
He's gonna just
Phone पे कोई?
Yeah, मैं
Cheat.
phone
I
पे
thought,
करता
I thought you Siri to
Okay,
toss a
fine.
coin.
That's
need to-
terrible.
No, well, let's do that because at least she'll say something.
हूँ. Okay, fine.
Okay, heads or tails.
So heads will be Bhajpa.
Okay,
Okay.
toss a coin.
Heads.
Bhajpa. Woo, you
Dude,
heard it here, folks.
That's the
Muslims are
universe
voting-
has spoken,
The
dude.
Muslims
The
are voting for
universe.
Bhajpa, and
Bas.
yeah. But maybe Siri is controlled by the Ministry of Information.
उनका SEO बहुत strong है, bro. उन्होंने flip a coin को भी rig कर रखा है.
Yeah. IT cell is involved. Is everywhere.
Flip a coin is also rigged. Not that anything. I'm not insinuating that anything else is rigged.
Right.
okay.
Election Commission घुसी हुई है Siri के अंदर.
अरे say whatever you like. तुझे क्यों डरने की जरूरत? तू तो वोट भाजपा को ही दे रहा है.
हाँ, exactly.
Now
तू मत डर.
अब तो
Now it's
कोई
bulletproof, bro. Yeah, you are bulletproof. That's pretty funny. No, but Ministry of Information बोल रहा था मैं with WhatsApp का CEO apparently they've got some guidelines and what the WhatsApp CEO is like we can't comply with these and we might exit India. Can you imagine?
But अच्छा हो सकता है.
What if WhatsApp exits India? How do we talk?
WhatsApp कहाँ
वी
की
चैट भी नहीं आ सकता देख.
You and I have
कहाँ की कंपनी है?
iMessage.
अरे नहीं, we'll make
Twitter
our
is
own ना.
Meta. WhatsApp is Meta.
अबे जैसे इन्होंने PUBG के साथ नहीं कहता PUBG हटा दो and then अपना खुद का PUBG निकाल दिया.
ओ बेंचो तो इन गधे के बच्चों ने
BGMI.
इन गधे के बच्चों ने ट्विटर की जगह निकाला कू. Do you know about that app? KOO. It's a bird. It's a yellow
Oh,
bird.
I thought COUP.
COUP, right. Bro, देखो अच्छा.
Shut up.
Why is the mic so close? It's a little uncomfortable.
I like it. अरे just so that I don't yell and talk, I can talk softly and still be heard.
Yeah. Still not
तो
by
मैं
me.
कई-
I
मैं
don't
कई-
hear what you're saying.
हैं जी?
Like because फिर मैं कई अपने episode देखता हूँ and I'm like what the fuck is going on? पहले I used to be too soft, then I got too loud, so I'm trying to find the balance.
Yeah.
Good best of luck.
Aren't we all?
Anyway, so yeah, but what if WhatsApp leaves? How do we talk? I mean, Signal.
Yeah,
WhatsApp
Signal
कहाँ
is
की
pretty
company
good
है?
actually because Signal also does is better privacy wise,
No, but all my
security
stickers
wise.
are favorited in WhatsApp.
I know, and Signal का collection लंडा है. They don't really have
As many features.
yeah, and it also looks like a depressed man's app. I mean, it is a bit.
I have the problem with my WhatsApp is all the 3 years of my previous business conversations are all backed up on WhatsApp.
Yeah,
I'll have to just. That's a bit of a.
I'm sure you'll be able to download your backups and shit.
Dude, I
You
wouldn't.
can, but you can only open those backups on WhatsApp, na? Or can you? Or
I
have to
wouldn't
check.
worry about it,
If-
bro. I don't think WhatsApp
I
is
don't
going
think
anywhere.
they'll exit. I don't think they'll exit. Number one. Number two,
Yeah.
if they did, I'm sure कुछ
Dude,
कर
ये ना
देंगे.
negotiation tactics होती हैं.
मेरे को मेरे watch group की tension है.
Don't worry. I think you'll get a lot of messages there soon enough again.
Yeah. अभी पता है I came in a cab and my cab driver almost hit someone on the road.
वो
Because
पहलवान है ना?
these
Hot.
fucking property dealers, dude, they are so dedicated to their job. Literally, मतलब highway के नीचे main road पे खड़े होके they are trying to sell houses because वहाँ बहुत construction हो रही है ना.
Property dealers घर बेच रहे हैं सड़क पे.
Literally, मतलब they are not. They probably some
शुक्र बाजार
hired by the property dealer or something.
Yeah, I understand, of course.
And वो literally standing in the middle of the road, stopping cars.
with like placards and what is it?
हाँ, हाथ में placard और एक वो sign करने का something.
Okay.
Flat बेच रहे हैं.
It's like when you walk down.
They're flagging down cars.
You know, it's like when you walk down the
घर
street
खरीदो.
in a Western country. Do you have a minute to spare for Palestine? And then
Yeah.
Can you give $10 for Israel or whatever the fuck? You're
Yeah.
like, hey,
Lot of malls
you
and
don't write
stuff.
down your instant interest for property in Ghaziabad.
Bro, but मरने को तैयार हैं ये लोग. मेरा my cab driver almost hit that guy
इनको फौज में भर्ती करो.
for their job, bro.
उनकी incentive होगी ना.
They're willing to lay their lives on the line.
Incentive base पे होगा. एक
For 2 बीघा जमीन.
yeah.
Crazy.
बीघा क्या होता है? Square yard.
Acre, I think.
No, बीघा is not acre. You fucking retard. Bro.
अबे
This guy
होगा.
is useless.
अबे देख हिंदी में यूनिट है ठीक है. बस.
बीघा is something like akin to like a square yard. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Nerd.
Fucking yeah, nerd.
Speaking of which, मैं पंजाब गया था वीकेंड पे.
ये हुई ना बात. शेर.
बल्ले बल्ले.
याद भी है तेरे को कुछ?
Anmol, यार,
बहुत था.
Anmol Singh, we love you.
First, yeah, oh yeah.
Anmol Singh, we love you, but we apparently Yuvraj doesn't remember you. So
ये bullshit है. ये ऐसे गंद मत फैला, ठीक है?
Stop kicking my mic.
क्यों?
I mean, this is what you just said yesterday. So
I went to
Yeah.
yesterday you mentioned I don't know who the fuck this Anmol guy is in the comments. I don't remember him at all. But I do remember this some one annoying smelly kid. Maybe that's it. Is that what you said?
मैंने तस्वीर देख के बचा लिया, ठीक है? मेरे को ऐसे मेरे 2 फैन मुश्किल से बन रहे हैं साले, तू 50% डेफिसिट कर देगा मेरा. But I went for friends, एक नालसा का फ्रेंड है, उसकी शादी थी, तो सरदारों के घर में धूम मच रही थी 4 दिन.
Yeah, so you are quite a distant guest. Like you are not close to any of either family.
No, the guy is my friend, the groom.
हाँ, he's your friend.
The groom
हाँ,
is,
तो-
groom is
अच्छा,
his
the
friend.
groom is your friend.
The groom is my
Oh,
friend,
okay,
the guy
okay.
who got married.
Okay, fair enough. Okay, that's pretty close then.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
कोई हम 7-8 friends ही थे. So
Hmm.
it was nice. It was a chill scene. First night though I don't remember because
Brilliant.
apparently I got into a whiskey drinking competition with somebody. I was
Amazing.
just drinking
Did
whiskey.
you win or not? That is the
Oh, by
important
a
question.
mile. By a mile. That guy's
Well done.
37 and
I'm proud of you.
yeah. But
Your ancestors are proud of you. Your
yeah,
Punjabi
man.
ancestors
I
are
don't
proud
know,
of you.
man, because apparently मैं Glenn neat चाट रहा था. And
चाट रहा था, it's
मतलब-
crazy.
मतलब and मैं तो पानी भी नहीं मिला रहा था after a point.
हाँ, नीट का मतलब पता है मेरे को.
Very nice, good. Secret. And so I don't remember the last 6 hours of that night because there are 3 people the next day. I very nicely, warmly introduced myself to them. Whatever. Like बहन के लोड़े 2 घंटे बात की हमने कल.
Blackout.
So they were open and they couldn't. I was black. They were like तुम ठीक थे and I'm like.
That's what blackout means.
Yeah.
That you're basically you're functioning nearly perfectly.
But
you just
I
don't
thought I'd
remember.
just spaz out and go like on the floor or something after that.
Yeah.
But it didn't happen.
हो जाता है कुछ लोगों को. तुम्हारी जेनेटिक्स में नहीं है
I'm
ना.
recording the podcast. I'll call you later.
So
Excuse
और
me.
क्या किया फिर तूने पराठे खाए? मैं तेरे को बोला था पराठे खाने को.
Bhai, did I send pictures of parathe? No, my phone broke. But हमने sorry, but
Did I
Devan
send pictures?
took picture of the parathe and sent to me
Oh.
so I could show you actually.
Yeah. Good.
हमने एक दिन नाश्ते में, so we were the day after the wedding, Sunday को we were supposed to go to the groom's house for lunch और रात
Yeah.
को थी reception 8 बजे. हम first time he saw us that day was 10:30 p.m. क्योंकि सुबह हमने मंगाया नाश्ता, हमने पराठे मंगाए जस्ट जोमेटो पे. ऐसे हमने गलती से कहते जंबो पराठा, लाइक जंबो, बहन वो प्लेट में नहीं आ रहा. एक पराठा भाई हमसे 1.5 पराठे. we were dead.
Yeah.
They destroyed us. एक आलू और एक पनीर. We got one each. Oh,
Yeah. Good shit.
इतना बड़ा.
White मक्खन वाला.
हाँ चिट्टा मक्खन.
Oh my god, मेरे को भूख लग रही है.
इतना बड़ा भाई, इतना बड़ा.
मेरे को भूख लग रही है अब.
मतलब
पराठे की
शील्ड जैसे यूज कर सकता था तू उस
तू
पराठे
कल गया
को.
नहीं? तू आज मूर्थल पे नहीं था 6 बजे?
हाँ, सुबह मैं मूर्थल में नहीं था ब्रो, मैं किसी ढाबे पे था तो.
अच्छा, okay.
कहाँ था
फोटो
ये?
ऑफ अ ढाबा मतलब finally he went to Murthal.
Not मूर्थल.
I also thought Murthal.
When you went to Chandigarh?
No, I also thought कि ये Murthal ही है. Where
Yeah,
was
it
this?
wasn't Murthal.
Yeah.
Wasn't
Where were
Murthal.
you?
Dude, if it was actually Murthal, तो I wouldn't have made it to the podcast.
Right.
But it was some random dhaba in Gurgaon, 24/7 open dhaba.
It was just you or some other buddies?
Yeah, Handa was there.
Right.
Joma was there.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
You got a crew going, huh?
Seems like it.
भाई लीडर
Seems
है.
like it. I don't know.
That's good.
He's so humble.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't know.
So but anyway, I ordered a paratha there as well, as you do. And
But
they
it was-
ordered mutton biryani 7 in the morning, Saturday morning 7 in the morning.
हाँ.
Mutton biryani.
Sure.
At a
Protein.
dhaba.
Why not?
तो कार्ब्स ही मार रहा है ना. प्रोटीन खा रहा है.
नहीं, बट इसके दिमाग में पता क्या
Yeah,
होता है
mutton
कि
biryani
ढाबा
का
है तो
time-
पराठा ही खाते हो, तो इतना
Yeah.
that's the reason he would not go to biryani there,
Yeah.
because he's got these things कि इस जगह के ये appropriate.
हाँ.
मतलब तुम ढाबा तो it's like a waste ना, जैसे तुम लोग
That's what I'm saying. कि उसकी ना वो vibe का waste हो जाएगा.
You can't have
You
anything
go
else.
to a dhaba, what the fuck would you eat mutton biryani? Because
When you go there, the menu is set.
मतलब
Fuck what they put there.
हाँ,
right.
तुम बिरयानी की जगह पे जाओ, वहाँ बिरयानी खाओ. तुम ढाबे की जगह पे जाओ तो पराठे दाओ.
ताओ.
पराठे दाओ.
पराठे दाओ.
तुम ढाबे होते हो तब
तुम
तुम बुलाते
पराठे
दाओ.
Yeah.
Good shit, dude. That's pretty funny.
Yeah. Also पता है आजकल
इसी-
आजकल T20 चल रहा है, तो मैं लास्ट वीक मैच देखने गया. दिल्ली वाला हूँ, दिल्ली को सपोर्ट करने गया था मैं फिरोजशाह क्लोटला में.
लोटला.
क्लोटला में.
पहले होता क्लोथ
एंड वहाँ पे हैदराबाद वाला मैच था, तो मेरे को लगा भाई हाँ जश्न मनाएंगे, दिल्ली जीतेगी. and turns out Hyderabad decided कि उनको पता चल गया रिप्शु आया है, so
दिल्ली की गांड सुखा दी।
bro
They
उन्होंने
broke the
वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड
record.
स्कोर कर दिया,
ओ तेरी
वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड पावर प्ले।
मनहूस साले जाया मत कर तू दिल्ली के मैच में।
World record must bowl. It's the power play is an IPL phenomenon, so it can't be. I mean, it's like the baseball World Series. It's only in America, but they call it the World Series.
हाँ तो
So
मतलब वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड तो था, रिकॉर्ड तो ब्रेक करा उन्होंने।
और किसी ने किया ज्यादा वर्ल्ड
भाई
में
अब
नहीं
तो
किया।
अबे रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक करा ना हो, 6 ओवर में उन्होंने 125 रन मारे हैं।
World record is a. Okay.
भाई देख अब कबड्डी में सारे वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड इंडिया के हैं, क्या वो नहीं है वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड? फिर
ये वो record है.
वो वर्ल्ड में यार
वर्ल्ड का ही तो रिकॉर्ड है भाई,
Yeah. Okay. Fine.
पूरा
यू कांट गेट कीप वर्ल्ड।
Well, like I like to get
Stupid.
pedantic.
Yeah.
Yes.
या
Yes.
एनीवे तो बहुत ही मनहूस गेम था, बट मेरे तो मजे आ गए। आफ्टर हाफ वे थ्रू आई डिसाइडेड कि मैं हैदराबाद वालों के साथ जाके जश्न मना लेता हूँ। मैं हैदराबादी बन गया।
So you hit up some Hyderabadis.
रिटर्न
हैदराबादीज या
Hyderabadis.
हैदराबादीज।
या
Hyderabadis.
दिल्ली वालों के साथ ब्रो मन नहीं कर रहा था, सब ऐसे सैड बैठे हुए थे।
Yeah.
तुझे से पार्टी से मतलब है?
मेरे को बस bro,
दल बदलू साले।
छक्के में बस
हाँ।
यू नो, बट बस वेट कर रहा हूँ भाई, वार्नर आएगा, पंत आएगा, किसी ने कुछ नहीं करा। वार्नर वन रन पे आउट हो गया।
वार्नर हैदराबाद के लिए नहीं खेलता?
हमारे लिए
ओ दिल्ली के लिए। अच्छा यूज्ड टू बी हैदराबाद का कैप्टन।
या डेविड वार्नर
I'm
ब्रो,
kept
उसका
up.
पता है वो फील्डिंग कर रहा था, मेरे सामने फील्डिंग कर रहा था वो, एंड
कैच छोड़ दी।
फील्डिंग करते करते उसका जूता उतर गया।
देख इसकी एनर्जी जो है ना इतनी बहचो खराब है, इतनी मनहूस है, तो कहीं भी जा तू प्रदूषण है जो
उसका
तू बिगाड़
वो
देगा।
जब बॉल वापस फेंक रहा था ना टू द कीपर, तो उसका जूता उतर आया, एंड देन एवरीबॉडी चीयर्ड।
ऋषु ने जूता उतरवा दिया।
मैंने नहीं उतरवाया, बट हाँ सही था। बट
Nice.
आज भी मैच है।
वो तो हर रोज होता है।
किसका?
हाँ आज दिल्ली का है ना, दिल्ली, और इनफैक्ट फिरोजशाह में ही हो रहा है, बट टिकट नहीं मिली मेरे को।
Oh yeah, you wanted to go.
या दिल्ली मुंबई, माय फेवरेट प्लेयर इज प्लेइंग।
So now did you always watch cricket या ये नया तूने चस्का पाला है अब?
नया चस्का वाला है।
Crazy.
या
Nice. So you can learn and grow.
हाँ
So you can learn and grow.
या
Cool. So any other, have you watched any national team matches या सिर्फ IPL में ही?
नहीं, नेशनल टीम तो मैं वैसे भी देखता था,
अच्छा।
आईपीएल नहीं देखता था मैं।
Okay.
बट
But this is shorter, no?
अब आईपीएल में दिल्ली के वास्ते देख लेता हूँ।
वाह।
एंड मेरा एक फेवरेट प्लेयर है, वो मुंबई के लिए खेलता है।
कौन?
गेस कर।
रोहित शर्मा?
नहीं यार,
नहीं, एक सेकंड। हार्दिक पांड्या।
हार्दिक पांड्या।
हाँ साले, हाँ मैं समझ ही गया।
छपरी.
हाँ तो मेरे को भी छपरी बोलते हैं यार लोग, सड़क पे मेरे को ऐसे गाली खाता हूँ
तू ही तो है पालम का पांड्या।
मैं। तो आई कैन रिलेट टू हिम ब्रो,
हाँ।
दैट्स व्हाई।
That's pretty good.
So today I don't know who to cheer for, you know, Delhi versus Hardik, who knows?
Hard dick, bro. Hard dick's on.
So he's he's an all-rounder, no?
Yeah.
So just like him, you are equally as good at batting and bowling.
I am
Both of
no, I know what you mean, but and no.
He's good at catching and pitching.
right. I'm sure. More a baseball lad always.
Yeah.
By the way, पता कि अभी मैं खबर पढ़ रहा था after a long time.
अखबार पढ़ रहा था?
खबर.
Oh.
खबर अखबार एक ही बात है. Just
हाँ, but अखबार I'm imagining.
Yes. Yeah, but who the fuck? So my dad, because you know, like we were having a chat about investment and stuff, and I need to be abreast of like developments in Indian business and stuff like that. So he was like, "Get a newspaper for yourself." I'm like, "What the fuck do you mean? I have a phone." He said, "Nee, I read the newspaper because he reads the whole thing.
Wait, he actually reads
Every day
the
he reads
newspaper.
he reads the Economic Times front to back.
But like,
Yes, the physical ones. I
तो
was like,
तुम्हारे घर में अभी भी आता है वो?
अरे हर फ्लोर के अलग आता है। मेरी माँ टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया पढ़ती है, डैड इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स पढ़ते हैं, नीचे वो हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स पढ़ते हैं हर भाई। हाँ
Bro, हमारे घर में तो बहुत टाइम से बंद हो गया।
ये घर तो काफी बटा हुआ है bro.
ये bro, yeah, अलग आते हैं।
That's
मैं
crazy.
in any case,
तो he just wants you to be part of the fam, bro. You need to get your own अखबार.
that's exactly
In the-
what.
yeah.
And I gave it a shot, by the way. A couple of months. I had the mint for a couple of months coming in, but then I was like,
भाई
it's impossible.
लोकल भोजपुरी अखबार ले आ।
क्योंकि मेरे को पढ़नी आती है और मैं बोलता भी
नहीं,
हूँ।
पिक्चर्स देखियो ना। तो तू
राइट।
ये
पढ़ता कौन है?
ये फोटो बुक के चक्कर में नहीं खरीद रहा है।
इंस्टाग्राम है तो मैं अगर वही करना ललन टॉप का इंस्टाग्राम पेज खोल लूं मैं रोज।
खोल लिया अगर, वो भी अच्छा एक्सरसाइज है, खोल लिया अगर।
पागल वाली बात है।
ये नए जमाने के लौंडे।
Bro,
No, turns out so the guy we've
Desi is best.
the guy we've been scripting as Aditya Thackeray is actually Uddhav Thackeray. We got the wrong name. for a sketch
I said
comedy.
Uddhav in
Acha.
the start. As you guys look like me, like I was an idiot. I just rolled with it. कि ठीक है, I must be.
You have so little confidence in your own ability
Opinion.
that you're
Even
like,
when I say things that are
I probably am the idiot.
even when I say things that are true, these guys tell me "Yo, तू चूतिया है, तू गलत है," and then
अरे तो कि come up,
check करके I'm right, मेरे को तब भी इज्जत नहीं मिलती. अभी हमने मारियो की बात की थी, मारियो की बात की थी ना the other day. I said that it's Nintendo exclusive. He said Mario on PS4 पता नहीं क्या. I said नहीं.
PS5 भी आती है.
I said Nintendo exclusive होता है मारियो, and ये और रिबू मेरे को ऐसे उन्होंने सुनाया, and then फिर 2 मिनट बाद गूगल किया, अच्छा तू सही था. मैं कहा माँ का भूसड़ा तो आ रहा है यार.
अभी तो तेरे में भी तो होना चाहिए कुछ गूदा बोलने के लिए कि वेंचर.
Stand up with yourself.
मैं
man.
बहुत स्वीट बंदा है.
Don't listen, man. I'm on your
हाँ,
side.
वही-
Don't listen to these bullies.
तू है तो मीठा ही है साले.
I like it.
Maybe this is why they bully you.
Foreshadowing. Yes.
Foreshadowing.
This is why they bully you.
Yes.
नहीं ये तो
चुमा चाटी करता
It's one of the reasons.
I'm just तो मैंने आज किया कुंजल.
क्या?
Oh, damn.
मैं कुंजल करके आ रहा हूँ.
Yeah, I gotta do that shit, bro. I gotta fucking get on it.
It's insane.
What is that?
Set a reminder
It's
to
this
do Kunjal.
old पता नहीं आयुर्वेदा योगा जो भी लेबल लगाना है मुझे नहीं पता. But पुराना देसी तरीका है to like cleanse your system out थोड़ा. So essentially lukewarm, there's variations to the पानी but they all do the same thing. कई लोग नींबू भी डालते, कई लोग नहीं डालते. मैं तो सिर्फ सॉफ्ट का पानी गर्म करके then you wait till it gets lukewarm and उसको 2 लीटर. So you do all of that. And you most important part, you must be buck naked, yeah. So
Wait, what?
He's
अरे मैं सीधा नहाने जाता हूँ ना
he's
उसके बाद.
making it up as
अच्छा
So-
नहाते टाइम तू बाल्टी
नहाते
में
हाँ just before
ये
नहाना.
सौंफ वाले पानी में नहाते हैं.
नहीं चूतिए.
I'm so
सुन तो सही.
confused now यार. Make up your mind. होता क्या है ये?
देख
Shut up.
पहले
कुंडन.
पहले पास का वो इकोनॉमी पैक लो बड़ा सा, ठीक है. उस सौंफ को डालो तुम पानी में,
हाँ.
पानी को उबालो, ठीक है.
हाँ.
उसमें एक पैर
तुम्हें चूतिए. सुन.
अच्छा ठीक
हाँ.
है. Okay, now you explain again.
Thank you.
Ouch.
सॉफ्ट का पानी गर्म करो.
हाँ.
Wait till it gets lukewarm.
हाँ.
2 लीटर. Then you have to sit on your haunches essentially. मतलब
Haunches क्या होता है?
मतलब squatted and leaning forward.
Naked.
he does it naked because he's about to jump into a shower.
Exactly, because you'll understand why once I tell you what happens.
Okay.
So you sit on you squat, you sit on your haunches, आगे lean forward so that पेट पे थोड़ा pressure बन रहा है. You drink all that 2 liters as fast as you can, let it go down, and then it will make you like retch. And if you don't, you stick your fingers down, you fucking make yourself, and you do it empty stomach.
Puke.
You do it empty stomach.
And you puke.
You do it empty stomach, and all that water comes out and it brings out whatever mucus and shit and whatever.
Bro,
you see that shit come out.
No, don't do that.
It's a thing.
Dude, you
It's
will
an
fuck up
old
your
thing.
entire throat.
No.
What do you mean? All
That's
the
why you do
bile
it-
and shit will
You do it.
fuck your throat
You
up.
do it empty stomach.
You do an empty stomach. Empty stomach में फिर भी acid होता है ना?
हाँ तो
HCl
वो
क्या
bile
होता है?
नहीं थोड़ी निकलती है green. That's it.
Of course निकलेगी. क्यों नहीं
हाँ.
निकलेगी? अबे when the water goes down there, it will mix with the acid of your stomach and
But
then
you
the
got-
acid coming back up. Acid
Yeah.
reflux की वजह से जलन क्यों होती है? Because the acid is burning.
इसमें जलन नहीं होती इसके बाद. That's what the soft water and whatever is for. It actually soothes that. जलन नहीं होती.
Like and also maybe
And-
because you're drinking so much water.
Yeah, and you
the-
see, and it's all
But
water.
yeah,
That,
it's risky though. Like
no, it's not. And you should see the amount of mucus that comes out. I've been doing it off and on for years. I've never had a problem. And it's great.
doing it for years.
Off and on for years. I only restarted like 6 months ago.
Hey man, if it works for you,
It works for me.
you.
और मेरा सारा all my throat is cleared up quite a bit.
Yeah.
काफी mucus सब निकलता है. And then because it activates सब नलके तुम्हारे बहन, your nose starts
Bro,
everything.
okay,
so-
I've heard enough.
everything. So you go for a shower.
I've
and
heard enough.
You get it out.
I've heard enough.
That doesn't seem very medically safe.
It's great.
Yeah,
This
dude.
practice.
It's great.
Let me
Yeah.
stick my finger in my throat and
Yeah. I like to.
You generally don't have to, by the way.
I like to
It
see some
comes out
peer-reviewed
naturally, right?
research on this.
You generally don't have to stick your finger.
I'm skeptical, bro. The fuck.
Yeah.
निकल ही आता है सारा.
Interesting. Anyway,
So that's how skinny bitches stay in shape, huh?
Your fucking allopathy is alternative medicine, okay? This is the OG.
कौन ले रहा है एलोपैथी?
Homopathy. Homosexuals, no?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's what you do?
yeah,
I figured.
yeah.
Yeah.
What is the pathy? What does that mean? Like the knowledge of
Pathology? I don't know.
pathology,
Maybe. I don't know.
right? I'm just trying to figure out like what the etymological root of
Because I don't know if
pathy is.
pathy in too many
Homeopathy.
as a suffix for too many other disciplines or whatever.
Yeah.
So it could have something to do with pathology. Because
Mm.
you have logy and is it well,
No,
is-
logy is
and
the
all that.
logic. Yes.
Sure, I'm just saying कि pathy का
Pathy का पता नहीं क्या है.
Logos pathos होता था ना?
Yes.
Maybe something with that.
Logos pathos होता था ना. इसका क्या मतलब है तो बताइए.
Yeah.
अभी भी होता है.
Ethos
क्या
logos
होता है समझा
pathos.
दे.
पता नहीं यार.
वाह.
Ethos logos pathos होता ना? तीन भाई थे.
तू अखबार पढ़ा
Ethos
कर.
logos और pathos.
तू अखबार पढ़ा कर.
Yeah, it's a performance or a description. So yes, okay,
You guys are too smart for me.
right. Yeah, it's a performance or a description. So for example, yeah, like the performance, I guess,
homosexuals.
of yes, homeopathy, yes.
फिर मिले तीन यार.
Yeah.
आप मैं और bagpipe.
But it's also homeopathy,
कौन
right?
किसके
So-
बैग में पाइपर डाल रहा है?
but it's also the homeopathy. It's for the
Dude,
homies.
I don't care.
It's for the homies.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's
अच्छा,
not just
हाँ.
homeopathy. Yeah,
Nice.
yeah.
So what about homeopathy? Who's on it?
You and we yesterday for dinner. when
Your
we went-
this Kundan thing is homeopathy.
No, yesterday when we went for
Kundan,
dinner,
Kunjal.
we had shots and we were two homies hanging out and it was performed.
Yeah.
So yesterday was
in fact-
homeopathy.
Yeah, that's
Friday
true.
night's homeopathy.
Yeah. Homeopathy.
I gotta have by that logic, I gotta have a homeopathy practice. No.
तुम्हारे होम्योपैथी का बिल कितना है?
Bro, एक तो
सारा-
this,
एक तो
I don't name
पहले
the restaurant.
पहले बैंक के लोगों ने 20-22 हजार का दिया था.
हाँ, don't
Then
name the
we
restaurant.
removed a couple
But-
of shots and then it was a reasonable.
But to be
amount.
honest, it was quite a good experience because you know the best part was
well,
no, I loved it. We went.
the
for-
guy fucked up the
That's what I'm
performance.
saying. That was the best part.
Oh.
Like,
Right.
dude, we went to a teppanyaki restaurant and वहाँ पे you know you're expecting like all these tricks from the chef and stuff and he was like doing
Oh.
well until we turned
I
on the
saw.
camera.
Yeah.
I saw.
He fucked up.
he posted
He got
that.
अबे
performance
तो सुन तो
anxiety.
ले. So
Yeah, and I'm such an asshole. I only posted but he fucked up. Go on.
yeah, no, it wasn't when he fucked up. Like literally, he was not fucking up. And then as soon as we started recording, उसको performance anxiety हो गई. And he just started dropping his knives everywhere. So the 30 seconds of video that we have is just him dropping shit all over the place repeatedly.
Handa was recording and he was perfectly fine. But
Yeah.
just जो मैंने shoot करा उसमें बंदे ने हक दिया और
Fuck.
मैंने सिर्फ वही post करा मैंने डाले नहीं.
बेचारा. Don't tag the restaurant.
Why,
You might be the problem.
oh, for sure. I'm happy to be, by the way.
I know.
सुकी की
Don't
नजरें
be-
देख के वो
don't
डर
be.
गया बेचारा वो. He couldn't perform.
Well, I just demand a level of expertise.
Yeah. And I was trying to cheer him on, okay?
finesse,
And
that
then
is.
I'm like, woo, woo. And then suddenly he dropped. I'm like, woo, oh.
I'm surprised Suki ने डांटा नहीं उसको.
Yeah.
मेरे नहीं पागल है क्या? Only when I'm paying him directly.
हाँ, वो बिल के टाइम डाटा था.
Or collaborating with.
There we go.
Only then. That's
Yeah.
pretty funny. Yeah.
अच्छा किसी को तो डांट के आया ना.
हाँ,
ठीक है,
हाँ,
good, good, good.
But डांटना जरूरी भी था because डाटा तो नहीं, but like
हाँ, fraud जो कर रहे थे तुम्हारे साथ.
हाँ, they were charging us for more than we ordered.
Yeah.
But we won the battle in the end.
Classic battle.
Yes.
Alright.
And we only paid for what we.
Yeah, and I've realized alcohol is not my friend, and it was good to stay off, and it was interesting to dip my toes in the
हाँ, that's why you're so punctual today, no?
in the temples. Yeah, no, 'cause my whole day is fucked, man. Just can't do it.
When you
And by the way, it wasn't even like a night of drinking. I had like 2 drinks, 2 large and 1 short.
Yeah, but maybe that's because you're like your tolerance.
Pussy.
You need
Yeah,
to keep
yeah.
keep at it.
Nah,
Keep at it.
sub-
Don't give up. Don't give up now.
7 months.
You know how
Okay, don't give up now. This fucking
perseverance.
Fucking piece of
You
shit,
can learn a
yeah.
lesson in perseverance on this.
you
guy.
never know, the next lottery ticket could be the jackpot. Never give up.
Yeah.
That's how gamblers.
The next drink could be your favorite drink.
My best advice for gamblers is never give up.
yeah, it's a good one.
The next one.
Because you never really know.
Yes.
By the way, you don't have to advise
Just one
them
more
that.
lotto.
That's literally all gambler psychology is. This one, man. The
next one.
Don't-
My luck is
odds are I've been
stacked in my
losing all
favor.
this time, so definitely, the 1100th time, I'm going to get the money back.
Yeah.
Don't knock it till you try it, but you gotta keep trying.
Yes.
मेरे को probability समझाए.
Yeah. Yeah.
But yeah.
Not my strongest suit.
What, gambling?
That too, I suppose.
Probability.
Yeah.
Yeah. और क्या चल रहा है? अरे वो Harvey Weinstein
उसका
Yeah.
conviction overturned.
overturned.
But only in New York, though.
Bro, so they're going to try him again.
Yeah, but only in New York.
But how the
huh?
hell does
So
that
he's a
happen?
free man in
It's
New York.
I believe it's multiple states where he was or maybe maybe it's just New York. Yeah, because it's just the New York jurisdiction. Yes.
Oh, interesting. But he's from New York. I imagine his case was also there only.
पता नहीं हो सकता है. I'm sure like one of
But
these.
no, it could be multiple states as well. Like he was all over the country.
No, so whatever is the verdict will be. I said because
No, they'll
US का
retry
थोड़ा federal system legally is kind of weird. I mean, you can have like Supreme Courts and chote whatever divisions also. They can also overturn something that the national level Supreme something they can interpret differently. So एक थोड़ा वहाँ पे inconsistency आती है. So I don't know what the hell that means.
The point is that the
He might
dude
know.
is
Yes.
the
Because
dude
he was
is
saying something.
ballin'.
Dude, what was the scene? So Harvey Weinstein's.
I feel like if they could have rule on
been
it, they
overturned
could have the
in-
final
in
say
just the
on
New
it.
York
It's
court, or
not
what's the
jurisdiction.
scene?
Hold on. Let the experts talk.
The conviction is overturned in appeals court, so it's going back for a retrial. That's in New York, but he's already been convicted in LA as well for a separate case.
Oh.
So
So this doesn't really change anything. He's still gonna go to
No, but
he's gonna
different
stay
case.
in jail. I mean,
it changes something because the New York case was the
has he been
biggest-
sentenced in LA?
I'm not 100%. I think he has. He's been
Oh.
convicted. I don't know if he's been sentenced.
Yeah. So
But,
then,
he's not getting out of jail. I don't think.
yeah.
But
So he's gonna stay in jail. It doesn't change much. Just
the-
maybe reduce his sentence.
what it changes in the first case was technically the thing that started the whole Me Too movement, right?
From New York.
That was the
Ah.
the Harvey
SDNY.
was the big case that started everything.
Yeah.
Which has now been
That is
overturned.
Going back, obviously.
Now everyone is fine. Bill Cosby is going to be out. No? Is that the law? What happens?
Hey man,
I can confirm that's what happens.
free my man Bill. Also free
Our
R.
legal
Kelly.
expert has spoken, and wow. TJ Miller is back in the game. Fuck yes. Let's.
This is from the assistant. No, fuck it.
Dude, I can I can sing I Believe I Can Fly again.
Yeah. What is that song from?
R. Kelly.
R. Kelly.
so,
Let's go, man.
So you can't.
What, is he still not out?
Who are the other?
No,
Free my
you,
boy Kelly, man.
You can't.
No, who are the flagship Me Too cases?
Harvey Weinstein,
Harvey Weinstein,
Nana
Bill
Patekar.
Cosby.
So-
Nana,
oh, I was going geographically.
I guess Epstein would
I was giving you the top one from
but
each.
Epstein on Me Too, man.
Yeah.
Epstein is human trafficking
Huh, but
and politics, and yeah.
how did we find
Yeah,
out
man,
about
don't group
Epstein?
him in with those perverts.
Yeah, right.
नहीं Epstein की तो already 2008 में पहली
But
conviction
उसको
थी.
जेल क्यों हुई थी?
2008 में हुई थी because for soliciting a minor, because it was someone underage who was doing a massage or something, and then he whatever said कि jerk me
Yeah,
off
so
or something,
kind of
bitch.
Me Too, I guess, but not really. Me Too
Bitch.
तब तक शुरू नहीं हुआ था.
Suck me off, bitch. Yeah, come back. Absolutely.
Yeah,
That Epstein was convicted the first time in the 2000s
yeah.
for assisting a minor. He got off with a sweetheart deal from the assistant district attorney. Yeah. Yeah. You know what that assistant district attorney was doing in 2017? He was the head of the Department of Justice. Yeah.
Oh
I know all of
lol,
this. I know all of this. Yeah.
bro, that's fucked.
That same judge, bro. Well, because
No, that's because he frequented the island. Man.
that dude's been working with the state. He's like a honeypot kind of guy who's
Yeah.
been working with the security,
Yeah, dude,
why
they
are
are
they?
like-
Well, Ehud Barak, ex Prime Minister Israel, all
Yeah, I
these
know.
people who are like.
I've
fucking-
seen like his guest list.
All his friends, yeah, man, it's
Yeah.
nuts.
Yeah, it's quite crazy. And then they had him killed.
Fucking,
Koई Indian-
allegedly.
I just feel
fucking
like,
Stephen Hawking.
I just feel like a lack of representation because no Indian billionaire was there. I feel like, because I want to be
Yeah,
part of the club.
Yeah.
Like represent. I don't know if they have any Chinese either.
But it's cool that
They definitely had a few Chinese people, there,
Chinese
but I don't think
is the right word.
I don't think they were guests.
But I think Stephen Hawking brought some good representation angle.
Stephen Hawking was there.
Yeah.
Right.
For the nerds, obviously.
Right.
That's what I meant. Abhi ye bhaicho,
The perfectly
let it,
abled.
Yes. The one I should put on silent. I'm not.
So Stephen Hawking really puts the mind over matter debate to rest, right? I mean, he really had a formidable mind,
Yeah.
but his body was shit.
His body was.
His fucking mind couldn't make that shit work, bro.
Bro, but imagine what foreplay he must have been doing over there. Like uska wo aise electronic baat kar hai. Hey baby, take it off. Or I don't know what the hell is fucking.
Yeah, what's wrong with that, dude? Computers are hot.
Okay.
what the
Okay.
fuck?
Okay.
Yeah,
You've not
dude.
seen
Sure.
Her?
We're in the
I could fall
21st
in love
century.
with an AI.
Yeah, bro.
I'm-
What the fuck?
Uska naam Neelam
It's
rakh
called AI ethics, and yes, and Scarlett Johansson from Her can get it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Scarlett
Ana
Johansson
de
from
Ar-
anything can get it.
Ana de Armas from Blade Runner can get it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, man, open your mind. Don't be so close-minded.
Yeah. Fucking bitch.
Yeah. Bigot.
I just look like
Bigoted against AIs.
yeah.
मैं कंप्यूटर में अपना नहीं डालूंगा भाई, तुम डाल लेना.
The wrong side to choose, bro.
Yeah.
In the new war,
Yeah.
you'll be the
For the
first
future.
one that we sacrifice.
Skynet मेरी गांड मारेगा. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है.
Yeah. More like Guynet. तेरी गांड मारता है.
Could be.
What?
तेरा नाम गायनेट है? Yeah.
All the guys on the internet जो तेरी गांड मारता
Oh, I thought you meant Gaudal.
Guy, no.
That'd be a crazy app.
Skynet.
Yeah,
That would be a
Guynet,
crazy app, bro.
Guynet, yeah. That's what he's on. Guynet is his favorite dating platform. Yeah.
और क्या चल रहा है?
I don't know.
यार हम बिजी है आजकल, हर रोज एक दूसरे का
Yeah.
थोबड़ा देख रहे हैं.
Yeah.
Oh हाँ,
This-
तुम sketches कर रहे हो.
We're scripting. We want to be shooting very soon. Like in another 7-8 days, we're shooting.
Dude, amazing.
Yeah. तो तू भी बन रहा है?
हाँ, you're playing
हमारे-
you're playing that role for us.
नहीं बताइए मत कि क्या
नहीं, I won't say.
हाँ.
और प्रिय
Yes. Dude, I look like him.
Yes.
There's only,
Yeah, you do, you
There's
do.
only one guy I look like.
yeah
Saddam Hussein.
you know when when I see the man and his pearl necklaces and his anyway
And
I
my
mean I guess you know
purple gamcha.
yeah well I guess you might as well it's fine it's KG
No. अच्छा, it was just a hint, bro. Teaser था.
okay
अब ये तू ढूंढ के तो इसको म्यूट कर नहीं.
no it's fine let
It's
it
fine,
be
it's
out they
fine.
don't know enough to you know
Right.
draw any conclusions
They don't know that the sketch is about.
they don't know stretches about Kejriwal
Yeah.
oh there's a lot of similarities really
Between me and him.
you go to jail often
Yeah, man.
what but did you see that Sunita
And
Kejriwal
another thing, हम दारू के बहुत शौकीन है.
correct right on दारू और घपले और
You both have weird headgear choices.
दारू and रिश्वत and whatever. But not me. I'm not talking about me. A friend of mine.
yeah
Yes. Rishwat Hussain.
that's pretty funny
Yeah.
but ये मेरे को वो कह रहा था ना अपना क्या बोलते हैं और अभी जो मत करना फिर कमेंट आया लास्ट एपिसोड पे
क्या?
guys boys please talk about the state elections who will run Delhi after
यार अपने फोन को अभी छू मत.
नहीं तो what did he say actually
Dude, I'm not qualified, यार.
yeah I know दिल्ली में अब की बार किसकी सरकार boys is
किसकी?
Kejri getting bail before elections we don't know but funnily Sunita Kejriwal was
Actually, it is. I have no idea दिल्ली में कौन आएगा.
yeah Bhajpa alliance with AAP is the only way path forward I would imagine
Right. I mean, yeah, it's a good shout. सट्टा लगाओगे?
लगा सकते हैं
Sorry, I think that's illegal. I don't know.
it's a
Personal
wager
सट्टा.
yeah it's not a bookie it's a
Yeah.
wager it's
True.
between two sovereign individuals
I think full up.
Oh Lord.
full up
I think so.
okay but then who Sunita Kejriwal
मतलब ऐसा
or that Marlena Pitlina
नहीं यार ऐसे हो सकता है
Oh,
कि केजरीवाल नेल्सन मंडेला बन के निकले.
हैं?
मतलब कि जेल से निकला हूँ.
Oh,
बना
yeah,
हुआ है.
yeah,
That's
yeah.
gonna be that play, no?
Yeah.
उसकी जो फोटो भगत सिंह और B.R. अम्बेडकर के बीच में
नहीं,
डाल
because
के
you know
कर
why?
रहे हैं.
I think it was quite a bad look to arrest him right before the election.
yeah but he's fucking
To me.
9 ED summons he didn't show up to
यार तो हाँ, why didn't he show up? I don't know,
ये बता रहे हैं
but
यार. It's one of those things where you leave him with no choice. I get it, but you know.
I mean, I guess they
It's
had to. They had
yeah,
to,
of
but
course. On the optics, everyone has agreed that it's
Yeah.
just not the best look.
it doesn't
but-
look
Yeah,
great.
yeah.
So that's why I was thinking.
नहीं मैं तो कहता हूँ कि you know like it's got to be one of those
For
things जैसे
Delhi.
जब कभी कोई एक्टर को अप्रोच करो ना वो इतनी बड़ी फी दे देता है कि तो instead of saying no I'm not interested in the project 15 lakh for a short film you know that kind of scene we could just set a bail for 200 crore की bail डाल दो तो वो दे ही नहीं पाएगा
And
One of
dude,
those
it could
things.
also be like, भाई हाँ कर लो arrest.
yeah
He might think मेरा फायदा
भाई
ही है.
बट एक बात बता, अगर हम में से किसी को 9 ED के कॉल आए, हम नहीं गए, हमें जेल में नहीं डाल देंगे.
हाँ नहीं,
डालेंगे.
but maybe that's what he
तो the
wants.
law is
ना.
supposed to be equal for everyone, यार.
absolutely हाँ
so-
I understand तो मैं
Dude, you
तो-
never know if that is the whole scheme. That is the whole plan.
तभी तो कह रहा हूँ नेल्सन मंडेला बन के निकलेगा.
So that could be. It could be just premeditated.
yeah
जेल तो गांधी
not
जी भी
sure.
गए थे.
right
मोदी जी जेल कहाँ गए हैं?
नहीं
केजरीवाल जी जेल गए हैं. देखो.
Yeah. So could be, but who knows, bro? Honestly, कुछ भी हो सकता है.
wasn't Rahul Gandhi also disbarred from parliament
हाँ वो भी जेल जा
recently?
सकता है.
recently yes
अरे ही तो नहीं, उसको तो रनवे पे चढ़ना
उसको तो जरूरत है भाई जेल जाने की.
Run
थोड़ा
Runway as in like a
थोड़ा
modeling.
जैसे
yeah, as a Versace model.
Versace
उसको
model.
जेल जाना चाहिए, he'll fucking come out
Good
like
looking
ऐसे, वो सब ठीक है, वो मैं कह रहा हूँ उसको एज एन इंडिविजुअल उसको हार्डन होके आएगा थोड़ा, वो सब समझदार जेल जाके he must fend for himself, he must learn.
I don't think he'll survive in jail.
तो ये सर्वाइवल ऑफ द फिटेस्ट भाई, देश चलाना है तो इतना तो देख लो, ट्राई मारो यार. मैं तो कहता हूँ राहुल भाई थोड़ा अफीम शफीम थोड़ा
Oh God.
पुलिस थाने पे जाके मार के
See,
आओ,
I'm
पकड़
He's
लो.
way ahead of you, bro.
I'm bored of I'm bored of these
Achha.
elections. I think we should have something like a reality TV show where we put all the hot politicians, and then whoever wins is the.
Like Splitsvilla.
So Rahul Gandhi
Yeah.
and that one lady whose name is with M, but I'm forgetting.
Mamata Banerjee.
Mantri Villa.
man, not that one lady.
No, the Bengali lady. Otherwise,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Fuck.
That's why I didn't say M Bengali. You would
Yeah.
definitely zoned in on Mamta.
Some Bengalan. I forget her name. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the one who was
TMC ki hai shayad, I'm not sure.
yeah, the one who was recently.
Mahua Moitra? Is that her?
Mahua Mitra.
Moitra.
Mama Moitra.
Yeah.
Yes. Mama.
Okay.
Mama.
Oh God, okay.
Oh wow.
Mama
Relax.
Chill.
Guys, I'm just trying to make a funny.
Yeah. I suppose.
Okay, anyway, moving swiftly past.
Good subtle segue. तो guys मौसम आजकल
गर्मी बहुत हो गई है guys.
बट बारिशें भी तो हो रही है
कल
ना,
बारिश भी
हुई।
कभी कभी बारिश हो रही है तो रात को मौसम अच्छा
यार
लग रहा
बारिश
है.
के बाद वो स्मेल बहुत अच्छी लगती है ना मिट्टी
बहुत
की।
टट्टी लगती है. एक्चुअली पहली बारिश की
अपने
स्मेल
देश की
टट्टी होती है.
धरती की
Yeah, Kal, I
smell।
wanted to take that rain check. You didn't let me.
हाँ तो इट वाज गुड.
बहुत अपसेट था ये एक्चुअली.
I was.
अरे नहीं, वाज अ ग्रेट मील मैन. फालतू बस इसको नाटक करना होता है. उस टाइम बहुत मजे आ रहे थे एंड अच्छा से खा के मील खा के उसके बाद फिर रोने लगता है.
मैं निकल गया उसके बाद.
अच्छा so I
हाँ but
we were also
अभी I meant.
अच्छा,
we were
नहीं,
also in touch.
Even yeah, yes, I know he was texting you. Yeah.
I took a rain check on him
Yeah,
in both. So he was like मैं तेरे घर के सामने हूँ, तेरे को उठा रहा हूँ. like नहीं मैं तो 20 मिनट दूर हूँ, मैं अपने दोस्त को ला रहा हूँ. He's like हम गोल्फ कोर्स रोड जा रहे हैं. I'm like अच्छा I'm at golf course road only. He's like तुम वहाँ रुक. I'm like नहीं, मेरे को अपने दोस्त को वहाँ लेकर आना है.
you know what I hate कि this guy usually जब कोई ऐसे excuse मारता है ना, मेरे को पता चल जाता है कि excuse मार रहा है.
Yeah.
तो then I just give him a solution.
Yeah.
Then they're stumped. It's like अबे ये तो solution मिल गया. But ये इतना बदतमीज आदमी है. इसको मैंने सोल्यूशन दिया भी फिर भी ना माना. कहता नहीं एक्चुअली मैं यहाँ हूँ. मैंने कहा अच्छा तो मैं वहां जाता हूँ. कहता नहीं मैं एक्चुअली इधर हूँ. तो वही रहा, फिर मैं वहीं आ रहा हूँ. कहता नहीं. ये क्या है
भाई दो चीजें. एक मैं अपने दोस्त को लेके I had committed to him कि I'd get him out of हरियाणा so he doesn't have to pay that Uber fare. तो मेरे घर से फिर उसने कैब कर लिया. ठीक है. नहीं
This
तो
is one of your
बहुत
buddies from Guynet.
नहीं स्कूल का यार है राघव. एंड ऑल्सो मेरे गाड़ी में
Because you were
पेट्रोल.
committed to him or something. That's what
श्योर
I was stumbling a little bit.
श्योर.
Right.
अब मेरे गाड़ी में भी पेट्रोल लाल पे आ चुका था. so I was like ज्यादा तेल भी नहीं होगा ना, घर जाओ सीधा गाड़ी पार्क करो. had he waited for me 20 minutes मैं इसके साथ चला जाता.
घर जाओ गाड़ी पार्क करो जरा. You
ऐसा तो मैं अब बोलूंगा ही.
नहीं बट अच्छा हुआ ब्रो. मैं तो फालतू में फंस गया पता नहीं कहाँ.
क्या नाम था तेरे दोस्त का?
तुझे बहुत मजा आया नहीं आया था?
दोस्त का नाम क्या है तेरा?
राघव. स्कूल का है, मेरे क्लास का.
Interesting. I've seen him in your wallet.
That's crazy.
ब्रो वॉलेट कौन लेके घूमता है?
The reason he's buying. By the way, did you buy your iPhone? No.
That's
I'm
not the
waiting for you to
that's
buy.
not the
Send
stance.
Subhayan a WhatsApp
वॉलेट
message.
कौन लेके घूमता है?
हाँ
Please.
ब्रो तुम, मैं तो वही तो कह रहा हूँ, तुम 90s में
Bro,
फंसे
can
हो
you
तुम.
send the phone to the office?
हाँ भाई मैं तो
वॉलेट वगैरह लेके, मैं तो वॉलेट नहीं लेके घूमता.
मैं UPI नहीं लेके घूमता. मैं
I've
तो
texted
मैं
him.
तो सिर्फ
He'll send it
cash
here
में.
only. I've texted him.
Brilliant. I shall buy it, but I will not open my phone until my case comes.
Please stop speaking like that.
Sorry.
Or at all.
I
Take your pick.
When men say shall, why does it sound so faggoty? What's up with
Shall.
that?
Not when I say. Oh, never mind. I shall.
Not when I say.
I say shall all the time.
Right.
Yeah,
But in regular conversation, it doesn't sound.
I shall buy it. It sounds.
I shan't.
I shall buy it.
I
I'll buy
shan't
it.
open.
I'll
the
buy
case.
it.
It's not. I shall buy it. I shall buy it. Like you don't do when you do shall like it's the Shakespeare ki aulad match. Then it sounds like fag.
I don't know. It seems like a
I
bit of
mean-
a bitch move to say
Bro,
shall.
it could be a vibe.
I think it's a bitch move.
Everything can be a vibe. You know,
Yeah, but the vibe is bitch vibe.
just vibe with it. You know what I mean?
Clearly, you are.
Sorry if I'm offending our one female guest. Sorry, listener.
I don't think we have any female listeners.
Actually, we do have one female subscriber for sure. इतना मैं देख चुका हूँ. नहीं उससे ज़्यादा ही होंगे 2-3. Yeah. क्योंकि एक दूसरी cousin
Okay, okay, calm down, ladies, calm down.
Calm down. Yeah. I only make sexist jokes. I'm not sexist in person.
Right. Clearly, as you portray yourself.
Is this an outlet of free expression?
Yes, there are no holy cows.
Except the cows that are holy. But even they're not holy. Oh, right. There are no holy cows. Never mind.
Shut the fuck up.
क्या
तू सोच लिया कर यार एक बार ना जोक मारे कर अगर तेरे दिमाग में हंसती है then you can say it.
मेरे को तो बहुत funny लगा.
अबे तो
मैं
खुद
कहा क्या
confidence
delivery
lose
है
कर
मेरी?
जाता
Sorry, so let me amend that statement. एक बार जोक मान लिया कर
हाँ तो.
ठीक है and then just keep it in your head.
You know, I have a way to tell how his joke is not going to be good. Okay, I don't even have to hear it.
Yeah.
जब ये सुना रहा होता है ना, he loses confidence midway through the joke, and इसकी आवाज एकदम low हो जाती है एकदम. Volume कम हो जाता है एकदम.
You're right. तू सुन नहीं रहा. वो मेरा एक comedic तरीका है deliver करने का. The confusion is manufactured for the entertainment value. I
Nice
think it's
try.
funny to do
नहीं,
that.
जब तू joke सुनाता ना यूं.
The incompetence is an act, guys. तुम समझते नहीं हो.
It is. Half of it
Yeah,
is.
It's dumb and dumber, yeah, but it's my life, you know. Yeah.
Yeah.
That does make you dumb though.
Yeah.
If it's dumb and dumber, if my life is dumb, even if I'm dumber, you are still dumb.
Why are you including me in your life?
Who else is there?
I don't know.
Me?
Yeah. He'll take it. He'll take it, bro.
Understood.
He's down. Yeah, there you go.
No, I don't want to touch.
Oh my god.
Yes, I love it.
You
No
don't
touching.
do this to somebody.
No touching. नहीं.
How dare you? That's the one thing you don't do to the homies, bro. You never leave someone hanging.
Yeah.
Homeopathy.
It's part of homeopathy, bro.
Fucking drop my dick and don't suck it. Stupid bastard.
But there's no female leaders, huh? I see.
There's
Huh?
no
There's
female.
no female leaders in contention for, you know, anything hot. Anything hot in the Lok Sabha. In the
अरे
news,
वो
you
है
don't
ना?
see.
हाँ.
नहीं, except for Sunita. Oh, fuck yeah. Going back to
I mean,
Sunita.
there's
Anything hot तेरे को लोकसभा में कराना क्या है?
Huh?
क्या anything hot?
hot on the polls, bro. Hot on the polls.
Hot on the polls. A few LA girls. You must know some.
Good one. Actually, good one. Yeah.
Yeah.
But LA strip clubs were too expensive for me. I was.
Foremost would be Mamta, I would suppose.
In Indian strip clubs would probably just be too dirty.
Have you ever been to a dance bar?
Are you nuts?
I have.
I have
You mentioned this
accidentally.
In Mumbai, I went.
Mumbai, yeah.
In Malviya Nagar.
In
What?
Malviya Nagar, a
There's
dance
a dance bar?
So, we had this family friend, Gujaratis, US born and raised type. They'd
Yeah.
come. So this uncle, he's damn chill. मतलब मेरे dad के friend है, but he's very cool.
Yeah.
मतलब we drink together this or whatever when he comes.
Okay.
So हम मम्मी के साथ गए थे मम्मी
लपेट के सुनाते हैं ना
हम मम्मी के साथ गए थे लाजपत सॉरी मालवीय नगर शॉपिंग करने एंड वेयर लाइक
तो तेरी
हम
मम्मी के साथ क्या था स्ट्रिप क्लब
नहीं
This guy
मम्मी
started
गई
the story with मैं shopping करने गया था.
बता रहा हूँ कि अपनी पहले पूर्वजों की पूरी लिनिएज बताता है कहानी शुरू करने से पहले वो मेरे परदादा मिले थे मेरे
बाय
दादी को,
मैच
मेरी दादी के ऊपर किसी ने
स्टोरी
पेड़
टेलिंग इज एन
पेड़
आर्ट
से टट्टी डाल दी ठीक है
इसको से पंच ही होता है
हाँ, okay.
मुठल
तेरा पंच होता नहीं ना भोसड़े वाले
तू सुन लिया अगर ना काटेगा नहीं तो पंच
वर्ल्ड बिल्डिंग. हाँ, चल शुरू.
Anyway.
तो तू मम्मी के साथ
सो
shopping
वहां
किया था?
गए तो मम्मी तो गई शॉपिंग करने हम
हाँ.
दोनों वे लाइक हाँ सुट्टा फूकते इज लाइक
How old is this uncle?
wait is
It
this a
must be-
cohort set
must be 52 53
by the way is this a cohort set
no they're both Kiko yeah they're both Kikoi
अबे, let's-
yeah because the stripes are so similar it's weird
it is both Kikoi tribe that
Okay.
anyway
अच्छा,
anyway
continue.
so he's like can we get a beer around
तूने
here
लिया कहाँ से, इंडिया में
he's
लिया?
like can we get a beer around here somewhere and I'm like पता
ये
नहीं
मटेरियल क्या है?
पता नहीं चल के देख ले
अच्छा, anyways,
but I like that
sorry.
there's a blue thing here also you know like it breaks up
Sorry, I am actually interested.
it breaks up the green a fair bit
अच्छा, anyway, I'm actually interested. Continue.
so he's like can we get a beer around here somewhere and I'm like हाँ चल फिर के देखते हैं पनवाड़ी से पूछा भैया यहाँ बियर मिलेगी कहीं and he's like हाँ बार है सीधा जाके राइट ऐसा whatever we went अंदर भाई दोपहर के 3:30 बजे ऐसा अश्लील मुजरा चल रहा है वहाँ पे
What?
आंटी
ऐसे-
किसी यहाँ पे
हाँ भाई
damn
Wait, in a sari?
no
In what? Salwar kameez?
पेटिकोट होएगा ना, पेटिकोट एंड लहंगा वाला skirt and shit like that.
yeah, that
That's the
shit. But with the midriff
that's the
exposed,
standard
with the
that-
midriff
It was
exposed,
different
yes.
in it was different
That's
in
the
Mumbai. In Mumbai
मुंबई में सब गलत करते हैं.
मुंबई की स्टोरी बहुत फनी है मेरी, बिकॉज हम वहाँ अंदर गए एंड तो हम बैठ गए एंड वहाँ पे साड़ी में थी वो एंड शी स्टार्टेड सिंगिंग एंड देन वन ऑफ द रेगुलर्स केम इन. Okay, and he was definitely a regular because he knew everybody.
Yeah.
He went and sat right in front of her, and then while she was singing, उसने मतलब उसको चढ़ गई थी थोड़ी, तो he stood up, took the mic from her, and then just started performing himself.
Of
वो
course.
खुद कैरियोके गाने लगा.
बोला ना मुंबई में सब गलत करते हैं.
That's nuts.
And वो बेचारी साइड में वैसे देख रही है, वो बैठ गई
वो एरिया डाउन होएगा.
वो इतनी देर वेट कर रहा था, वो बैठ गई.
That's nuts.
Yeah. और हम पीनट्स खा रहे थे.
तुम पीना सिखाते रहो. अब फितरत को बदला नहीं जा सकता. क्यों भाई?
I walked into that. I gave you that one. I walked into
पीनस गोलगप्पे जो भी भाई का मन करे खाते हैं.
इसके लिए अच्छा हो गया ना, वो देख रहा था आंटी इज लाइक अंकल आ गए पीनस.
In fact, funny बात
मजा आ
है,
गया.
जब आंटी
अबे तो उसको बैलेंस कर लेना. पिछली बार भी तो लड़ रहा था बेचारे माइक के साथ.
मेरे को अच्छा लगता
पूरे
है.
टाइम लड़ जा रहा है. और पता है क्या, स्टैंड पे रख के फिर भी ऐसे पकड़ा हुआ है. Like it's just take it off the fucking stand then I guess if you gotta
अरे,
hold it.
it's not about the positioning anymore. It's just
सपोर्ट हो, सपोर्ट के लिए
comfortable.
गिर ना जाए. वो होता है ना बुढ़े अंकल, वो गाड़ी में बैठ के.
I am comfortable interacting with the hardware.
ये तो वैसे
It's like
मियाँ बीवी की तरह लड़ते हो,
gesticulation.
bro.
It's like gesticulation. I'm just like आगे पीछे. Oh, how am I gonna speak now? How am I gonna speak now?
Yeah.
This, you know, there's a
तो अपने काम से काम
there's a
रखना
level-
भोसड़ी के.
there's a level of incompetence that just triggers me. You know,
Same, I
like,
know.
how the fuck?
Why
you
is
go
it
about
incompetent?
He does
life-
that to
you
me
go
as well.
out life like this.
तो मैं-
you know? It's just
तो बड़ा कॉम्पिटेंस का पुतला है. हैं?
पुतला.
साला. मतलब इसमें तेरे को क्या है? तुमने काम से काम रख, मैं बातें कर रहा हूँ, आवाज ठीक आ रही
मेरे
है.
सामने
बात
इतने गिरे जा रहे हैं, उठाए जा रहे हैं, हाथ में
कोई गिरी
अबे, ओए, get a room, you too.
Fucking भोसड़ी का.
Not a suck it as just dick. इतनी sexual tension मैंने कभी नहीं देखी अपनी जिंदगी में.
हाँ, तेरी सेक्स लाइफ जो लंड है.
Okay, fuck yeah.
All his romantic encounters are with police officers. कभी संजीता भाभी होती है,
हाँ,
कभी
ठीक है,
नीलम
ठीक है,
होती
good one. Fuck, can't catch a break today.
Today I'm also firing a little.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, at me, dude.
अरे, so this is all pent up. ये रिबूट जो मेरी ले रहे हैं इतने दिनों
दो
से.
दिन से ब्रो. परसों तो ये ऐसे मायूस होके बैठ गया था कि स्टॉप टॉकिंग कंट्रीब्यूटिंग ओनली. पता है क्या, हम दोनों यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं अब सोफे और चेयर पे, आम चेयर पे, ये टेबल वाले चेयर पे बैठ गया है.
I can imagine.
वहां से बात कर रहे हैं हमारे
Bye.
I can imagine.
अब पता है breaking point क्या है?
They're ganging up on you.
There's a pecking order, you know, every
There's a pegging order.
No fucking pecking order.
pecking order.
It's team pawns.
And you
okay?
are on the bottom.
No fucking pecking order.
There's
No.
a pegging order and you are on the bottom.
Yes.
There's a pegging order and you are on the bottom.
That's literally what he just
Oh, I
said.
thought he
That's
said
his
pecking.
joke.
I thought he said pecking.
He literally just repeated his joke.
Now he started explaining my jokes also.
Never
I guess,
mind.
I guess that's, by the way, that's a hack for you. You could just copy people's
अबे
jokes.
इसको
You
इसको
could just steal jokes and that's how you can be funny.
इसको
I
अगर
guess.
बोलना नहीं आता तो मैं क्या
Maybe there's a way to do
करूँ?
it.
इसको बोलना नहीं आता क्या करूँ? इसका
Sorry,
GC की
sorry.
तरह लगता है, मैं क्या करूँ?
I'm eating my words.
तो हमारी
Like I'm eating
यहाँ
Nando's.
टेबल टेनिस लग गया ना, लात क्या बैग?
कहाँ लग गया?
ये टेबल टेनिस है ऊपर.
Second
अब
floor पे table
second
वो
floor
हाँ
पे.
हाँ ऊपर है.
And so फिर ऐसा हुआ कि Ribu, he's like, Ribu's very good. Ribu's like, I'm very good. I'm like, मैं तेरी
It's part of his personality. Ribu, ना, is like,
And
मैं
I-
TT पर अच्छा खेलता हूँ.
अच्छा अच्छा
ठीक ना
अच्छा.
तो.
And I told
गांड मार
Ribu,
दी
I told Ribu, मैं
No way.
मैंने
गांड मार दी इसने.
5 गेम 20 मैं उसकी गांड साफ कर दी भाई. और किया भी ऐसे 21-5, 21-6. मतलब साफ.
गांड मार दी
bro.
उसने.
8-0, 9-0. मतलब साफ. And,
bro.
so his response, obviously, to express his
Dude, this guy.
feeling.
You have such random. पता नहीं for some reason he has some random talent. Because golf के साथ भी यही हुआ था. हम golf जा रहे हैं. मैं कह रहा हूँ हाँ मैं मतलब वो तेरा फ्रेंड क्या नाम है उसका?
विनायक.
वो कह रहा था हाँ ब्रो मैं तो रोज हर 2 महीने में खेलता हूँ, हर 3 महीने में खेलता हूँ. अबे तेरे को थोड़ी सुनाऊंगा तेरी. The fuck.
डाल दे चार्ज.
Yeah, okay. Actually check if it. Hopefully it hasn't.
Woo.
Okay, we're good. So pause.
We
अच्छा,
are
ठीक है, तो मैं तेरे को ही
currently.
सुना रहा था ना.
We are currently.
So
Okay.
in fact I'm not just talking to you. I keep forgetting. I'm talking to everyone watching as well.
We are currently experiencing
So
technical
anyway,
difficulties.
This guy has this weird like he's so good at sports for some reason. Like TT पे apparently or Mahir, you never played in your fucking life.
No, I
golf,
played TT.
We went for golf. Our friend who plays every 2-3 months he's talking about it. Huh, like don't worry about it. If you guys take a few shots to hit, like, you know, if your guys are going over par, I'll wait for you. ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. And then this motherfucker start hitting birdies. Every shot is a bird. Every hole a birdie. And before that he's like gaslighting us, or he's like, you know, lying, saying fucking मैंने तो
birds
मैं
in
तो
the
नहीं
bees.
But
खेलता.
I hadn't played in 17 years. I hadn't swung a golf.
ये कह रहा है. And then birdie.
Last
हर
was
hole
a
पे.
बचपन में when our first acquaintanceship began at that time. That was when I last played golf.
भाई तेरे दोस्त को शर्म आ रही थी भाई. I was talking so much smack in the beginning.
वो हर संडे जाके खेलता ही यूएस में. हर संडे. बस उसकी गार्ड
Talking
उसके
so
भी
much
गार्ड
smack.
साफ कर दी.
Is he New Jersey or something?
He's in New York.
Okay.
This
right.
guy-
No,
Guys,
he's in Boston. Sorry, yeah. He's at BC. He's in Boston. Yeah.
You're like a sports hustler, bro.
He taught me. He's like, oh, we'll have to come to the driving range 4 or 5 times, and you'll have to do it. Driving range, I got it. Day one.
Yeah. I think you're scheming all of us, bro. Gaming all of us.
I have no idea, man.
Bro, I'm telling you. I'm never playing sports with you again.
I mean, I'm not good at everything.
You seem to be. When you always fucking say you're not. से false confidence build up कर देता है लोगों में. That's how he does it. अब मैं तो ये सारी स्कीमें समझ चुका हूँ. रिबू बेचारे के साथ भी तूने यही किया.
अच्छा उसका रिस्पॉन्स वो तब से जब भी मिले कॉरिडोर में मेरे लंड पे मार रहा है.
He's backing his
वो
dick.
अपने हाथ से मेरे लंड पे मार रहा है.
Hey, take a hint, bro.
Yeah.
भाई मैंने
You don't get more obvious than that.
yesterday I retaliated.
Bro, you gotta
मैं
look.
यहाँ हमारी झड़प हुई. we're rolling around on the floor here.
What
उसने
the fuck?
मेरे
तुम्हारी हाथापाई कर रहे हो?
हाँ.
मैं वहां से आया यहाँ पे जमीन पे हैं. जमीन पे they're on top of each other. इसका जूता निकला हुआ है.
भाई मेरा हो गया था.
How old are you guys? What the fuck?
भाई मैं उसे I was just avoid एक दिन से वो कर
If you
रहा
want to
था.
fuck so bad, just fucking be open with each other, man.
मैं थोड़ी मैं फिर
Bro,
उसके
you
भी
have
लंड
to
पे
look him up
मारा.
on Guynet.
Yeah.
It's
आ
probably-
रहा है वो 3 बजे. मैंने उसके लंड पे मार दिया फिर वापस. And then
Dude, उसने लंड पे मारा, then ये लौटने लगे जमीन पे, and then इसने उसके लंड पे मारा.
नहीं मैंने पहले
That
लंड
can
पे
be
मारा फिर
interpreted
जमीन
in
पे.
many ways.
आप क्रोनोलॉजी समझिए, ठीक है?
नहीं, मैं तो नहीं जानना. Shut up.
तेरे को अभी तो दिलचस्पी हो रही थी. जोक जो मार लिया अपना कि हाँ वैसे क्यों रहे हो, अभी इसका मजाक उड़ रहा है साले.
Hey, as long as I'm not in the
हाँ.
fucking scope and.
नहीं हमसे गे तो ही है.
अच्छा. Well done.
Brokeback Mountain over here, motherfuckers.
हैप्पी.
अच्छा bro, लड़ाई से याद
Both you
आया.
gay baiting each other.
लड़ाई से याद आया. देखो वो पता है केंड्रिक और ड्रेक की डिस बैटल चल रही है.
हाँ मेरे को
J.
पता है.
अभी भी चल रही है.
Bother to look into it.
जे
Bro.
कोल ने वो गाना निकाला टट्टी था, उसने अपोलोजाइज किया.
How the
Hey,
hell?
that's J. Cole. He's talking about Drake, I guess.
हाँ, but so I'll tell you the two sides. There's Kendrick, J. Cole, 21 Savage
No.
on one side.
जे कोल is not on Kendrick's side.
No, sorry. J. Cole, Drake, and 21.
Yes.
And the other side is, you know, Kendrick and Future and और कौन था उस ट्रैक पे जो भी था. But anyway,
Dua Lipa.
Metro Boomin. अच्छा.
Drake
Anu
released a
Malik.
track a few days ago, and he actually like kind of killed it.
Drake.
Yeah.
But someone else probably wrote that for him.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
Classic
This
great
was-
Drake song.
Exactly.
Yeah. But yeah, they kind of got him. And I got a lot of respect for Kendrick.
Kendrick.
Yeah, Kendrick is.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Kendrick's
bro,
the guy who brought me to hip hop.
yeah, that time वो था ना क्या नाम था? Pimp a
Pimp a
To Pimp a Butterfly. That is the album. That is
नहीं,
the
उससे पहले
album.
भी The Good Kid, Mad City.
Oh.
Good Kids, Mad City was what brought.
That was insane, but I
नहीं,
heard
even
that
before that, when
after.
Section 80 के time भी I was listening.
But मेरे लिए like I heard To Pimp a Butterfly in 2019. That was my first proper like hip hop album that I was like yo.
Yeah, dude, Kendrick was.
And then I
Kendrick
started.
was big,
Nimbu
really
soda,
big in
Nimbu
LA.
soda, Nimbu
Like he was like a
soda.
religion.
I'm sure because
You could, it was like blasphemy to talk shit about Kendrick. That's how fucking respected he was.
I
in
get
LA.
it. I get it.
And Drake, very, you know, quite the opposite. But after the rap, like if I'm just being like, you know, completely
What's the
objective
point of
about
these?
it.
I mean, what's the beef to begin with?
Yeah.
Why beefing? Why they beefing?
I don't know why that beef.
Create masala करने के लिए ना.
Probably, but
Tabloidize it.
Yeah.
You
नहीं,
know?
but कभी-कभी यार like इसमें असलियत भी होती है.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
They don't like if you're Drake, bro, you don't need to publicize shit. Like just drop anything, people will listen. You know.
Mm.
So it's same with Kendrick. Like they're too big. I think actually कोई beef है.
होएगा किसी ने किसी की बंदी को चोट दिया होगा और क्या.
Beef है या buff है?
कल्ले ऐसी करते
पता नहीं. इस देश में तो buff.
इस देश में बफ है. R.I.P.
हैं. एक दूसरे के बच्चे बीवी भाई में डाल दिया होगा और क्या.
Yeah, but I don't क्या?
But they worked a lot together
दूसरे
also.
के
Like
बच्चे
J.
भी
Cole
Yeah,
has
but I
made
just
beats
don't
to
know how to
Kendrick.
feel like Drake. I don't like Drake, and
Yeah.
I like
never
some
liked
of his
Drake.
songs though.
I've never liked.
His songs are good though.
I've never gotten into listening to any of Drake's, even though I know he's a very
No, he's
diverse
got-
Well,
he's
you
got some
definitely
good-
heard his
he's got-
songs.
he's
His
got
I've
some
songs
heard them,
play
but
all
I've
the-
never spun
everywhere.
them. I've
Yeah.
heard them in other people's
Spun
play.
them.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure,
Yeah.
sure. No, though, it's funny when you say some one or two cool words. No, it just doesn't fit. So that's why we're surprised. That's it. It's not like we don't understand.
Cool word. हाँ तो anyway.
यार मैं फिर से तेरे पे लाइटर फेंकूंगा तू फिर से मेरे पे लाइटर फेंकेगा यार विशु का मजाक उड़ाए
Guys, please. एक दिन तो छोड़ दो.
ये आज मेरा एक दिन है इनफैक्ट अभी खत्म हो रहा है जब रिव्यू आ रहा है
Yeah.
सो
In another 15
नहीं
minutes.
आज मैं नहीं साऊंगा तुम्हारे ये जुल्म बैठ
मैं
के
तो
लड़ो
मैच पे फोकस करूंगा.
हाँ. तू नहीं सहेगा
आज नहीं साऊंगा
तो तू भाग जाएगी फिर और guess.
Bro, मैं देखूंगा. In fact,
सहने की
hopefully I don't join in with them.
ओए हम अपना करते ना केंड्रिक वर्सेस ड्रेक वाला हम केंड्रिक टीम है ये ड्रेक
मैं
जे
तेरी-
कॉल है
Podcasting.
हेलो
Hi, Dad. Yeah.
हाउ आर यू जी
You wanna come say hi?
हाँ जी
आपके बिना कैसे कर सकते हैं?
आओ जी
Make a cameo. Okay, no, they're good. They're good. All right. Cheers. Bye.
ठीक है
आज पूरी फैम गया.
Nice.
Everyone's involved in the podcast. That's
crazy.
what happens when you do afternoon
Dude,
podcast.
you know what I
अबे
love?
but fair they're too good for this So-
You know what I love about your dad?
Yeah.
मैं एक बार रात में तेरे घर आया था and तेरे डैड भी सेम टाइम पे घुसे थे and then he goes up to everyone and he says good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah.
9
He always
PM
says
at
good
night.
morning.
Standard
He always
greeting
says
any time
good
of the day.
morning.
Any time of the day.
Yeah, and dude, I thought maybe I'm drunk. Yeah.
Yeah.
He's going and saying good morning to everyone and everyone's responding good morning. I'm like bro ये घर उल्टा है क्या? यार रात में सब good morning बोल रहे हैं.
ऐसा सबको कर चुके हैं.
मैंने कहा मैं चश्मे उतार के तो देखो रात ही हो रही है ना.
बाबूलाल भी अब मैं घर आता हूँ. Good morning.
Good morning.
नहीं. Please can you?
Any time of the day, everyone greets everyone good morning. I'm like dude am I drunk?
अब बात मॉर्निंग की
I was but at some
It's the
point.
French way. You know, you say bonjour.
No, I get it. I actually,
You
I
will
really
also
like
say
it.
bonsoir
I know. Yes.
Yeah, I really like it. I thought it was pretty cool.
Yeah. It is fun.
it's hip
Yeah.
Well, you could
like us we're all hip
take a
today.
note or two from
नहीं सारे चश्मे पे all
yeah.
hood vibes
Today, yeah, I have very puffy eyes today. So
तूने मुझे टपोरी बोला था ना
तू हाँ but that's a
तू है
compliment.
कटोरी.
oh no I'm very happy
Yeah.
तो क्या
तू है कटोरी.
ए नजर नीचे करके बात कर मेरे से हमारे साथ ठीक है
Sorry, what?
नजर नीचे बात कर
Because I hear a small dog, you know, like
Hey.
yapping, you know, like a chihuahua,
ए
like a toy breed.
बोले तो
Yapping. It's in my ear directly.
मैं तेरे पुछवाड़े को तबला बना
Oh,
के
it's
बजा
louder
देगा
now,
क्या
it's louder now.
तबला बजा के does not sound as menacing as you think it does. तबला बजा के बजा
गांड को
दूंगा.
तबला बना के क्या क्या
तेरी गांड को तबला बना के
हाँ,
बजा
वही
दूंगा
तो
तो
कह
you
रहा
want to play तबला on his ass.
That's one of his pickup lines. गाने में तबला बजा दूं.
That is not very
बोले तो
I'm a musician, guys.
That is
Yeah.
people can take that the wrong way.
मैंने ये नहीं बोला मैं किससे बजाएगा
That's exactly what.
Dude, मेरे को हंसी आती है.
By the way,
He
you're not
tries
making
to
it
be
any better.
intimidating.
Yeah.
Bro, you are not intimidating.
The innuendo.
ये मैं मुंबई
sorry,
कर ले है मैं इंटिमिडेट नहीं कर ले है
Oh, माजी सटक.
क्या बोलो? वाजी सटक.
माजी सट वो
Maji Satak. I don't know.
आता माजी सटकली
I don't know what that means. dog.
अबे
ये
माजी
खोपड़ी घूम
सटक
गया
ही-
माजी खोपड़ी घूम
सटक
गया इन
गया।
मराठी हाँ
Okay.
सटक गया.
How do you know all these fucking?
सिंघम में है ना आता माजी सटकली
हाँ, मैंने तो उसका गाना
आता
गाना है,
माजी
गेंदा फूल,
सटकली
उसमें सुना था.
गेंदा फूल में. Okay, interesting.
खाती तू बस बटर बटर वाली सॉन्ग नहीं हो.
खाती तू
तेरे फोन में है ना वो? लाइब्रेरी में है ना? Good. तू इतना होड़ यार क्या करें?
क्या करे
He's so hood, guys.
किया क्या जाए
Guys, he's so hood.
मैं तो कहता हूँ चौराहे बीच चौराहे पे मार दो ये किया जाए हुड डेथ
Yeah. He's so hood that Nike wants to make him in a sweatshop.
like a good stoning and like
That's bad. That's bad.
like a good stoning in Saudi
Try to come over. Yeah.
he loves Saudi we should stone him
Yeah. He's so hood. He's basically Hindu because he's got a hood.
Oh God.
yeah
Hood. I've never called it a hood.
Yeah. Thank you.
yeah he doesn't
ये ले तेरे लिए नींबू वाला लिए one single नींबू
thank
no
you
नमक.
thank you Nikhil bhai
Thank you, G.
तू क्यों बोल रहा है तेरे को कुछ नहीं मिला?
उसको
तू
भी-
हवा
भी-
चूस।
पता था इसको चाहिए नहीं होगा, है ना?
तू खाली हवा चूस।
हाँ जी.
So nice. What else? You been watching anything new?
So-
Anything fresh?
No, मेरे का टाइम कहाँ मिला मेरे को.
Right. From all the hanging out.
मैं
with-
yeah bro,
your
I've
new
started
crew.
making friends, you know. So
Yeah.
I'm busy life. man.
Relax yourself. You had one good night.
Let's see how long that lasts.
Come on, guys.
Yeah. No, I have full faith in your ability to last like 6-7 months. You know,
Yeah.
go hard,
Then I'll.
Then go home.
then go home. Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm making memories that I can't remember.
Memories.
You can make those? Oh yeah, you can make.
Yeah. These days, definitely yes.
Yes, qualified. Yes.
Yes. Silicon. It was the
Yeah.
focus of our last
Correct.
episode.
Silly कौन? हम सब bro. हम सब silly है. Joke मारा.
Oh my god. मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि जो सारे हमारे improv comic actors आ रहे हैं ना, उनके सामने से बकवास कर दी कि ये डेवलप कर रहा है शो. मैं तो should I be
देख,
reconsider
मैं विजनरी हूँ. मैं तुम जो दो सेम फ्लेवर लाते हो ना, मैं वो नहीं लाता.
In
ठीक
fact,
है?
you know what we should do is get some of those guys on the pod.
Yeah, but sure.
Why
We'll
not?
see.
We
Let's
can
see.
we can use all the help we can get.
We're meeting a couple of them.
देख, अगर उनके फॉलोअर अच्छे खासे हैं तो हाँ.
one or two.
नहीं तो माचो दे.
नहीं, but this was the thing about the follower thing. Yes, we're not going to just like sacrifice good content because उसके पास follower नहीं है. Even that is good, you know.
Yeah,
मजाक
yeah.
करो यार.
Of course,
Yeah,
of
okay,
course.
yeah. Even with the picture.
It's just a consideration.
Yeah. No, of course, and it's ideal, but we honestly like I mean
Yeah,
I don't have
I know.
any.
I feel you. I feel you.
Immensely.
Would be cool to have that bonus.
Right on. Yeah. And
By the way, you could help. Maybe होते एक दो फॉलोअर तो तू कर ही सकता है अगर तू बहन के लोड़ा अकाउंट कोई बना है.
फोन आ रहा है
तू
इसका.
साले WhatsApp स्टेटस पे ही डाल लिया कर. कुछ तो कर.
आज इसका फोन आ रहा है, आज बनाएंगे इसके Instagram.
मैं बनवाऊंगा इंस्टा.
यार फिर से बनवाऊंगा. बंदा हायर करूंगा.
मैं
ये
बंदा नहीं
करूंगा.
हायर करूंगा. मेरे को बस फोटो खिंचवानी है एक दो
Hmm.
हर महीने.
ये भी ठीक
नहीं,
है.
डिटेल में रख ले फोटोग्राफर. मैं तेरे को प्रीतिजा का नंबर दे देता हूँ.
है?
आई थी ना उस दिन प्रीतिजा. She's a photographer, Raghav's wife.
Bro, I'm not being serious. You think I'm going to pay somebody to take my Instagram photo?
I was totally being serious. I was literally going to drop a contract. and
अच्छा
get
अच्छा.
you-
Oh sorry. Yeah, sorry. I thought you
Yeah.
guys thought I was being serious. नहीं but मैं खोल लूँगा account.
That would have been a
I'm
fair
just-
assumption, you knowing
I'm just,
yourself.
I don't
Yeah,
know.
this is a serious podcast, so
Yeah.
we really talk about serious. Yeah,
We only talk about the issues.
So, yeah, we're always not fucking around.
Yeah.
We
But-
mean business.
Well, we can talk about him. He's one
But
of
you
the
know, I'll
issues.
tell you what. I always procrastinate, and the only way to deal with procrastination is by setting deadlines.
Yeah.
So if I'm going to make an Instagram account, I have to set a deadline. Otherwise, I will never make it. I know.
28th April deadline.
नहीं, that's tomorrow.
Yeah, exactly.
No. I need some time.
Till 28th evening.
No. I need a few months.
Few months.
Get
Man,
out.
this guy.
Get out.
तब तक ना नया
Leave.
social media चुका होगा. He's gonna be. Oh, by the way, and I don't know if you saw this, but like the US has passed the thing where in that defense bill that TikTok has to be divested. So
Yeah.
right, so maybe TikTok's coming to India very soon. I think.
Oh
Because it would just
no.
it would mean not Chinese ownership. If
But
that
this
were to-
guy said, no, the CEO, he did say it, ki, I would rather we shut down in the US than, you know.
That's what they're saying. So
Yeah.
let's see. But it depends because if
Dude,
the
but
biggest,
if they shut down in the US, what is their market then?
exactly, yeah. But the US is still the biggest market in the world.
I mean, I think he'll have to
It's the most lucrative
know,
at the very
yeah.
least.
tone down his ego a little bit and face the facts and
हाँ.
just,
और वो ये भी कह रहा था
Finally, someone's sticking it to the Chinese.
yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did that for a few years.
Good one. Well, the good thing is that he said Chinese.
Yeah, it was Korean. It was Korean guy.
Oh no.
Oh no,
Come on, don't walk
you
it back. Don't
racist.
walk it back.
You racist. You
Yeah.
disrespecting the dude behind us, bro.
Yeah.
Fucking.
No, that's not the same Korean.
He's Chinese.
Oh, so now you know
Well,
the
actually, it is the same.
you know
Korean.
the difference. What?
The north and south are the same Koreans, na?
That's what I'm saying. You know the difference. वहाँ तो delineation कर लेगा, है? Korean Chinese में नहीं करेगा, sir. I'll cut.
Yeah. Disrespect, bro.
Fucking.
Anyway, Sunita Kejriwal.
Hmm?
Sunita
Tom
Kejriwal, the
Hmm.
wife.
Yeah.
She's making a speech
Sounds like an
Yeah.
English teacher.
somewhere. Exactly.
Yeah.
So she was making a speech somewhere and she was saying कितनी बुरी बात है कि मेरे पति को और आपके भी प्रीवियस
पति को।
मुख्यमंत्री को अरेस्ट कर लिया, गलत हुआ ना? पूरे क्राउड ने बोला हाँ नहीं गलत हुआ नहीं, अच्छी बात है।
तो कहते हैं
सबने बोला हाँ क्या सही बात है।
Idiot.
अरे वो she should have said what you said originally. Like she should have said.
Yeah, that was better.
वो mindless drones की तरह हाँ सही बात है.
It's like Rahul
थोको
Gandhi.
ताली.
Rahul Gandhi had a similar moment, didn't he?
I'm sure
He said-
he's had many similar-
Yeah, but
That's pretty
very
good.
recently, like couple months ago, कि ये policy ये जो आपके साथ ये किया है, ये ऐसे ये अच्छा है सब जो बीजेपी ने किया है. And they said हाँ, and he's like नहीं आपने ये नहीं बोलना था. There's a full YouTube पे है वो, I've seen it. Yeah.
That's pretty funny. No, that's very meme. I want a video of that.
There is a
There-
video.
there is. That's how I saw
video.
it.
Send it to me.
Even
I wasn't
Of course
actually.
there's a video, but as in I
केजरीवाल
want.
वाला तो मैं डाल दूंगा इस edit में
Yeah.
डाल दूंगा मैं.
Yeah.
Because I mean, it's so funny that the opposition keeps putting themselves in these situations where
Yeah.
I don't know how it is. The cards are. I
Take,
mean, yeah,
bro.
It's the Sleepy Joe vibe.
I mean,
bro.
audience,
Take it from the-
audience में सारे sleeper agent बैठे हुए हैं.
Huh?
सारे audience में sleeper agents बैठे हुए हैं.
Bro,
That
take-
could also be the case, bro.
No, they're doing.
Yeah.
Yeah, the
They
fuck.
bought the whole crowd.
No, man, they're doing it wrong. Look at the professionals. They're not even asking.
Right.
They're telling. They're not asking.
Sure. Yeah. Don't let the audience engage you. You
Yeah.
know. Yeah.
Engage them.
Yes. Yeah. Okay, let's cap it.
चलो रिशु को सुलाते हैं, दूध पिलाते हैं, गरम कर लल्लबाई सुनाते हैं.
Okay, anyway, good morning.
Okay, just real guys.
Bye.